Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use T function in Excel. So let's start. The T function checks whether a value is text. If it's text, it returns the text itself. If it's not text like the number, date, logical, it returns empty string. And for error, returns the same error, not empty. So let's see how it's used. So first is the text, so I use here the T function used is equal to, press the T and here to select the T function and select the value, bracket closed and enter. Here you can see if it is text, it's return the text itself. Okay, and for number I use the is equal to T function and select the value, bracket closed and enter. Here you can see showing the empty. Okay, after that again I use the T function, select the values, date and bracket close and enter, again showing the empty here. And for logical is equal to T function and select the value and here you can see the empty cell. And for error I use here the T function and select the error and here you can see the error is written the same error, not empty. Okay, so this is so helpful. You can see here useful in formulas when you want to extract only text value from a range. Okay, you will get only the text value. Okay, you can see when I keep cursor on this second cell, you can see in formula bar showing the formula, but here showing the empty because here I'm using T function. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.